Jesse, just think, saying hug me for you to give one of your heart to me. Asaka ng first sabi ko ng hug me. You did nothing, just looking on your phone.
I did give you a hug, but you keep asking it. One is enough.
Yeah. Is sometimes pag nilalove mo si Lola, nababreak heart ko. Nababreak si Sira. Kaya Jessie always say, hug me. So I'll have enough heart para pag nalove mo si Lola, hindi masira. If it reaches ng perfect heart, it won't get broken. But one is not enough. Jessie needs 10. I need 10 hearts so it won't break again. Kasi pag konti hearts lang, it
You have
won't
10
just
hearts.
break.
Tita Dai, 1 heart. Tita Buyot, 2. Mama, 3. Tita Aisa, 4. Tita Annalyn, 5. Tito Dondon, 6. Tito Alvin, kailan na? 7. Who else?
You.
Me, 8. Ate Chantel, 9. Who else? Kuya Jared, 10. Kuya Mark, 11. Kuya Janjan, 12. Who else? Kuya Nathan,
Tita,
13. You have a lot of hugs and hearts.
hindi ba yung hearts from you when
I
you
only
hug me?
have 1 heart.
Tita, yung sa kisses at saka hugs mo, it gives me some hearts.
That's a lot. It's a lot. What else? I only will have 1 heart. I can't give you more. You only have 1 heart too. I can give you many hugs and many kisses, but I can give you 1 heart only. I don't have 10, I only have 1.
Hindi ba yung heart that Jess is talking about, the heart from your kiss and the heart from your hugs?
Yes, I can give you that.
Tita. Basta hahag mo ako konti. And maybe you love Lola and it keeps breaking. If you love Lola again, if another one breaks. Love Lola again, another one breaks. One more and love Lola again, the last one breaks. Wala na. 4 hugs lang yung give mo sa akin kanina.
That's a lot.
But it's not enough for 10. Kulang pa. See? Kulang pa ng eto. Kulang pa.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tita,
Hmm.
I will put 10 minutes on the clock until you forgive me. Until you forgive me. Pag na-forgive mo ko hanggang hindi pa hanggang 0 yung clock, you will win. But if you forgive me too long for 20 seconds, wala na. Wala na yung mga hearts ko. It will all break at the same time. When you will forgive me, I won't pray.
Okay, I will forgive you.
What did I say to Nina? Hug if you forgive me.